Kyle here, AA0Z, and we're going to unbox the
DX Commander.
Stay tuned. I have an unboxing to do. I purchased a DX Commander from Callum on dxcommander.com, and I'm going to do an unboxing. I purchased this about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, and it just arrived, so we're gonna open it up and see what's going on. I bought the classic with the 80 meter option, so let's unbox. And we unbox. All right, so I'm assuming this is the pole. Got a bunch of stuff in here. We've got, looks like this is DX10, made in England for DX Commander, black, 100 meters. Okay. I'm just going to dump all the rest of this stuff out. Well, if I can get it out. Got a box. Two rolls of 100 meter DX10. Very good. Looks like we've got a bag of bits and bobs, some cordage, looks like some zip cord, some heat shrink, some tubing, some Jubilee clips or hose clamps, and a bunch of different connectors, spade connectors, wire nuts, a whole bunch of stuff in here. Then in this box, what do we have in this box? Ooh. We have got the SO239 connector. Looks like some heat shrink maybe. And then we got the plate. This is probably the radio plate. Here is the driven element plate. So I think it goes like this. And then we've got some plastic spacers that go on the pole and keep all of the elements, radiating elements, apart from one another. So this is about, I don't know, 7 inches. And that is it. I'm assuming the instructions are on the website. Let's open this. Oh, it's in plastic even. And there's the support. Very good. I like how it's branded with the DX Commander. Seems sturdy. Let's pull out some of these elements. Yep, I think that'll do. put a hose clamp around that. I think that will do. So, that was the unboxing. If you need a DX Commander, highly recommend them. I know a lot of the YouTubers have DX Commanders and they work great. So go out there and get yourself one of these antennas. They are very cheap for all of the bands that you get with no tuner. So all of these elements are cut to resonant length and you don't need a tuner. So you can use this up to 1500 watts. Go and get one from Callum and we'll catch you soon.
DX Commander.
Toot toot.